Remember the days when bridges just seemed to collapse, or planes had mysterious malfunctions? It sounds crazy now, but predicting when materials would fail used to feel impossible. But guess what? We're living in the future. Artificial intelligence is changing the game, making our world safer and way more efficient. AI is like a superpowered detective, spotting tiny clues in materials that predict when and how they might break down.
Okay, so what exactly is material failure? It's a term that might sound technical, but it's something we encounter in our daily lives more often than we realize. Think of it like this. Everything around us, from our phones to our bones, is made of materials. These materials are the building blocks of our world, and they each have unique properties that make them suitable for different uses. And just like us, these materials have limits. When they are pushed beyond these limits, they can fail in various ways. This is where the concept of material failure comes into play. Material failure is what happens when we push those limits too far. It can be sudden and catastrophic, like a metal beam snapping, or gradual and subtle, like a plastic slowly warping over time. It's not just about things cracking or breaking. It can also mean bending, warping, or even just wearing down over time. Each type of failure can have significant consequences depending on the context. Think about the stress a bridge experiences every day from traffic and weather. That's a recipe for material failure if we don't keep a close eye on things. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to understand these limits and design materials that can withstand the demands placed on them.
This is where AI swoops in to save the day. In a world overflowing with data, making sense of it all can be overwhelming. AI excels at analyzing massive amounts of data, processing it at lightning speed, and uncovering patterns that are invisible to the human eye. It can handle way more information than any human could ever manage, making it an invaluable tool in various fields. In material science, for instance, we feed AI algorithms tons of information about